These gorgeous surroundings are the dairylands of Wisconsin.
Welcome to Wisconsin!
We're meeting Wisconsin powerhouse chefs, Chris Mangless.
When in cheesehead country, you gotta put cheese in the dish.
And his buddy, Justin Carlisle.
So I'm fortunate enough I grew up on a beef farm. I'd kind of be a bad child if I didn't buy things from my father.
As we throw a feast in honor of their local purveyors.
And believe me, these guys know how to throw a shindig.
Care for a glass of wine?
So on the inside is beer cheese soup, the outside's a pretzelized puff.
Thank you.
We're sourcing produce from a couple of farms, including one hydroponics.
Hydroponics is a soilless culture, giving the nutrient feed in the water right to the plant.
And surely you didn't think we'd celebrate Wisconsin without sourcing a bit of cheese.
This is done every day. Christmas Day. Packers won. Packers lost.
This gives me a whole new definition of cheesehead.
And oh, what we make with it. Can you guess what it is? Here's a hint. Those aren't gnocchi.
Bon appetito!
Next
on a Moveable feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.
Cheers! Woo!